Hi, my name is Khan and welcome to the new chapter. As we have discussed in a previous chapter that how session is actually working, and let's continue the previous chapter. So this become our break off structure is here because this session is a broken this one and close our bit, right? Once market close our bit and we are looking here for buy after taking out the inducement, which will be covered in a previous chapter, as you know. Okay, so this one is our break off structure, but I'm not marking the structure. This one is, you can understand something like this: when previous session break the high or low and close above it, those act like a break off structure, and you can definitely buy after taking out the inducement, which is here. Taking out the inducement, after taking out the inducement, and this is our entry based on the single candle mitigation, which is already discussed in a previous chapter. So right now what happening here, this is our London session high and this one is our London session low. So what happened here in a New York session, market taking out the previous session high, right? When market taking out the previous session high, it means we are looking here for sell, and you can sell here in a first way. First one is here, you can directly sell as per your 5-minute time frame. Simply put the sell limit is here, and where is your stop loss is here, and at least target is here, which is here, right? So London session low is here and you can set your target and stop loss just above it, right? So this is our first entry criteria is here. But if you are looking in a 1-minute time frame, then you will see when you switch in a 1-minute time frame, then you will see one more entry in a 1-minute time frame based on the single candle mitigation. If anything create here, definitely you can take entry. So look at this price action is here, and this is our order block is here, and you can say market trying to push higher, and this is small reaction and trying to go higher, and then what happened if failed this one. This is a called flip entry because demand convert into supply, right? So I'm not focusing on chalk, pause, flip, anything. I'm just focusing on here based on the single candle mitigation based entry. So let's see what happened next here. Okay, so one more thing I want to mention here, this one is our last buying candle before this drop, and price must be close below it, this one, right? But price not close below it, you can see here, right? So what happened here, you have to wait for to candle closer before the sell is here, because this candle taken out the previous liquidity. So let's see what happened next here. Okay, there is no confirmation yet. Okay, so finally what happened here, price close below it. So now you can sell here based on the single candle mitigation, because above it there is no unmitigated order block. So simply when you can sell here, you can sell here on this candlestick, which one here, right? Because this candle taken out the previous candle. Why we are selling here, because this is our last single candle order block which is unmitigated here, and now you can sell here something like this. Okay, and put the stop loss just above it for the safer side. And where is your target? Your target is London session low, which is here. So simply you can sell here something like this, right? So let's see what happened next after this move. Okay, so finally market mitigate your entry zone, which one is here, and now your target is here, right? So let's see what happened next after this move. And in this case, where is your break even point? Break even you can when market break this low, because this is our actual pullback is here, because this is our internal structure is here. But I'm just focusing on because this is our very large, because this one is also normal pullback, but I'm looking here for a break even point because this one looks our valid structure, because this pullback looks very clear, because this one is a smaller and this one is a very large, right? So when market broke this one, I wanna put my stop loss on break even point, right? So let's see what happened next after this move. All right, so let's see. Okay, so what happened here, finally market hit our stop loss, and then after that what happened here, you can see market taken out both stop loss is here. So in these two trades I wanna mention. So what you learn in this two trade, you have learned that when price tap on your PI, when price tap on your PY and gives you any reversal confirmation and continuation confirmation for the buy and sell, it doesn't mean that you are going to win. No, it's all about probability. When you are looking for the buy and when you are looking for sell, you have to think in a probability, because you are playing in a high probability side, right? So as per our entry plan, these entries are valid. If your stop loss hit, then it's okay, there is no need to worry, because you can see here at this time you followed the same perspective is here, and you made 4 hour and 7 hour, almost 11 hour, and this time you lose 1 hour and 1 hour, 2 hour. Net profit is almost 9 to 10 hour, right? So it's all about probability, because sometime you win and sometime you lose. Okay, now I'm going to switch again in a 5-minute time frame, then I will see you in a 5-minute time frame, as you can see here, market again sweep the previous high, which one is here. So once market sweep the previous high, then this is a strong indication then market actually looking for the downside mood. But you need strong confirmation before the sell. We need single candle order block before the sell, because both session are bullish, then New York will give you definitely a reversal move to the downside, but it's all about probability, not 100%, but very highly chances that market can gives you downside move. First attempt we got a 2 stop loss here. So how we can identify them? So first of all, focus here. This is our actual candle which taken out the previous high liquidity. So if market candle close below it, then definitely we are going to sell here as per our entry plan. So what happened next here? And this candle break the previous candle low, so price must be candle close below it, right? Not this one, because this high broken by the next candle. So actual candle is here and price must be close below it, then definitely we are looking here for sell. If there is a no candle closer and price continue go higher, then I'm not interested here for sell. But you have to check in a left side if there is anything as per your 15-minute time frame. If price type there, and then you can sell here as per your 15-minute supply zone, this high inducement, and tap on this order block and sell, right? Because this entry is not valid as per session timing, but this entry is a valid as per your structure and structure. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. Now you can see here candle close below it, which is strong indication that market actually looking for the sell. In this case, where you should sell here? So where is our proper imbalance and which candle taken out the liquidity? So right now you can see here, this is our last buying candle before the sell, which is actually here, right? So this one is our supply zone and price type here. And then what happened here? Market mitigate this order block and definitely you can sell here. And two types of entry are available. First one is a direct entry, you can say risk entry. In this case, where you should put the stop loss? You should put the stop loss just above it high, because this high is our protected and safe stop loss. But you can also put the stop loss just above it for little bit risky, but you can get big risk reward. So let's see what happened next here. And where is your target? Your target is London session low, which one is here. So this one is our target at this point. So this one is our first entry. So you have to wait for it to mitigate this order block. Okay, so finally market hit our order block. Now you have to wait for in a 1 minute confirmation if you wanna add one more position. If you don't wanna add more position in a 1 minute, then no need to go switch in a 1 minute time frame. Simply you can trade based on the 1 minute order block. Now let's see what happened here in a 1 minute time frame, because sometime you missed entry in a 5 minute, but you can catch in a 1 minute also. So what happened here? You can see here this candle mitigate this order block. And where is our unmitigated order block in this case? First of all, you have to check where is our proper imbalance and which criteria you should follow before the buy or sell. In this case, you don't need to wait for chalk, pause, flip, anything. Simply you can trade based on the single candle order block, because we are already in a 5 minute time frame. Chalk, pause, flip, entry module we need when we switch into 15 minute as a higher time frame, then we need a 1 minute confirmation for the buy or sell. We are already in a 5 minute time frame, then simply you can take trade based on the single candle order block as we have done. So in this case, where is our unmitigated order block? Let's start from the top of the structure. This order block mitigated by this move, okay, and this order block mitigated by this candle. And then what happened here? This candle mitigated by this move. So where is our next unmitigated order block? This one, right? Because this one is our last buying candle before the sell, and candle color doesn't matter because this candle actually go higher before this drop, right? So simply you can sell here as per your 1 minute single candle order block. Why I'm saying here for the sell? Because market mitigate this 5 minute 1 minute, because market mitigate this 5 minute single candle order block. That's why we are looking here for sell. Let's start. You can put the sell limit is here and put the stop loss just above it, right? But if you wanna switch stop loss here, put the stop loss just above it, and this is our safer side. But I'm looking here for to put the stop loss just above it, almost a 7 hour, right? Almost 7 pip stop loss is here, right? And target are similar previous session low, which one is here, correct? So this is our entry and stop loss above it, and definitely you can sell here. And I'm taking risk here because I want to reduce my risk and maximize our reward. That's why I'm looking here for sell in a 1 minute time frame to refine order block, okay? And first entry is also available here for sell. So let's see what happened next after this one. All right, okay, so finally market hit our entry criteria, and then you have to wait for it. So let's see what happened next after this one. Market continue pushing downside, and finally market going downside. All right. Okay. All right. So finally, what happened here? As you can see here, market hit our target is here, right? So why this move happened here? You have to understand. First thing, market was bullish and market break the previous every session high and candle close above it. Then simply you are looking here for buy or sell. Why? Because market taken out the inducement tap on the order block and based on the single candle order block. In this attempt, what happened here in third time, market sweep the previous session high, which is an indication that market actually looking for the sell. And another possible scenario is a sell because Asian and London both are bullish. It means New York can gives you reversal move. In a day, at least one session will be manipulated. If two sessions are continuation, then one session will be reversal. So now you can see here two times we lose here, and then what happened here, 4 hour, and this one is also 6 hour, almost 10 hour again, right? Using same concept. So you have to stick on your plan. Sometime win, sometime you lose. You have to think in a probability. You have to trade only on high probability PY, and don't try to buy or sell randomly without any logic, without any reason. You must have a proper reason before the buy or sell. If you don't have any reason, then you don't need to buy or sell anything. Let's switch again in a 5-minute time frame. So these are entry plan when market taken out the inducement, when market sweep the previous session high. Let me show you one more example is here. You can see here, these are previous example. What happened here? You can see this one is our Asian session. When market taken out the Asian session in London session, then what criteria you should follow? You should follow market taken out the inducement. You should follow market creating the single candle order block before the buy. Once market taken out the previous major low, as you know, market must be creating single candle order block before the buy. So what happened here? This candle taken out the liquidity and you don't need to buy here immediately. Why? Because you have must be proper reason before the buy or sell. This candle high is here. If the next candle close above it, right? So simply you can buy here. But what happened here? Price not create the next high, but market break this low, which one is here. So what happened here? What criteria you should again follow here? Actual candle is here and high is here, but the next candle not close above it, and then this high transfer here to here, right? Again the next candle close above it. So this become our valid as we have done in a market structure mapping. Same thing will be applicable here in a candlestick form. So this one is our single candle order block, which one is here right now. Okay, so this one is our single candle order block, and simply you can buy here. And where is your target? At least target is here because market momentum is a very taken out this low, and you can simply buy till the extreme order block, which one is here, right? So simply you can buy here, at least target is here. If anything create here for the reversal, then definitely you can take trade here for sell. Why? Because overall momentum is a bearish and market looking for the continuation in a downside move, as you can see here. Okay, so overall momentum is a bearish, and what happened here, this is a just indication that market actually looking for the reversal move to the upside for the short term, and maybe market hit our actual PY, which one is market can hit our previous session high, which one is here. If market close over it, so this can be a continuation in a London session and possibly in a New York session also, because Asian session was bearish, right? So what happened here? As you can see here, market mitigate our extreme order block. Our way, there is no unmitigated order block. So simply when and where you can take trade here for the next entry. You can take trade here when market taken out the previous candle liquidity, and simply you can sell here is here, right? And you can also sell here as per your single candle order block, which is covered already recently, right? So simply you can buy here and sell here. And where is your target? At least target is here, which is here, right? So this one is our first target. And what happened here? If price close below it, then which criteria you should follow before the buy or sell? If price close below it, then definitely you are looking for the sell again, because market close below it. But why we are not looking here for the buy? Reason is a very simple, because Asian is a bearish and London also bearish, then New York can gives you bullish move. Okay, that's why as we have done here, you can see here in this case what happened here, Asian is a bullish and London is a bullish, then New York is a bearish. In this case what happened here, Asian is a bearish, London is a bearish, then New York is a bullish. Okay, at least one session will be manipulated in a day. So what happened here, you can see here, break this one and you don't need to sell here exactly, right? Even some people are looking here for sell to mark this is our extreme like a PUI, or some people mark this as our engineering liquidity or whatever you called it, right? Then where is your extreme order block? This one, and they are interested here for sell. But what happened here? This is not a valid, because New York session is open here, then you have to buy here, right? Why? Because you can see here market taken out this inducement and tap on this unmitigated order flow, and then what happen here, single candle order block mitigate here, and simply you can buy here because these are bearish and these are bearish, and this one looks for the reversal, looking for the bullish. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain here. So simply when market taken out the previous session high or low, definitely you can buy or sell based on the single candle order block. If market closed the previous session high or low, then you have to wait for taking out the inducement. But you have to remember one thing, if to pass a two session is a bullish or bearish, right? So you have to take a decision as per the previous session, which is already covered in a details in a ebook. So let's see what happened next here. In this case, you can see market taking out the inducement, and this one is a called like you can say SMT maybe, because people are looking here for sell after break of structure, inducement and sell here, right? So simply what happened here, this become our inducement, and after taking out the inducement, when up we can sell here, we can buy here on this order flow, right? And this one is our unmitigated order flow. If you are thinking why we are not buying on this order block, which one is here, so as I explained in an ebook also, order flow is a primary compared to the order block. Order block comes from the order flow. Order flow is the first one, and order block are refined version of the order flow. So if market tap on your order flow and gives you any reversal confirmation or continuation confirmation, then definitely you can buy or sell. So press taken out this inducement and tap on this, and then what criteria you should follow, you have to wait for to confirm single candle order block, which one is here. This is our last selling candle before this buy. Press tap here, and then you can buy here and put the stop loss just below it. And where is your target? At least target previous session measure high, which one is here, London session high is here, and you can put your target is here. And right now you can see 4 hour almost is here based on the 5 minute. But if you are willing to switch in a 1 minute time frame to scale more opportunity, and sometime you miss first entry, and if you wanna enter in a second entry based on the 1 minute time frame, then you can switch here. Let me show you exactly. So let's see what happened next here. First of all, you have to wait for to mitigate this order block, which is already mitigated here. Let's switch again in a 1 minute time frame. So right now in this order flow, in this order block, where is our unmitigated order block as per single candle mitigation? So first of all, this order block mitigated by this move, which one is here, and this one is a mitigated by this move. But look at this shadow, which one is here, right? This one is a unmitigated. So maybe in a future price can be tapped here, but look at the another candle, which one is here. So right now we have a 2 PY is here for the buy. So I will suggest you in this case, you have to buy on first one, but put the stop loss the extreme one, right? But sometime you miss first one and price tap on this next one, then you can also buy here. Okay, so first of all, put the stop loss just below it, at least below it, and more safer stop loss is here, right? But I'm looking here for stop loss is here, right? Because this is our unmitigated PY zone for the buy. So let's see what happened next here after this move. So let's see. Okay, all right, so market hit our first order block, which one is here, and then market now tap on your extreme, maybe in a different broker can be tap maybe. Okay, so let's see. So these two entries are valid for the buy is here. And where is your target? Your target are similar. Previous session high is here, which is a 7 hour and 5 hour, almost 12 hour. And let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, so finally market hit our target, as you know. So you can see here how session is working very smoothly, but you have to understand few things. First of all, you have to focus on that where is market going on, like if session is a bullish or bearish, at least one session will be manipulated. If Asian session is a bullish, and then London session break the previous Asian session high or low, if sweep, then you can take decision, wait for the single candle order block before the buy or sell. If candle close above it or below it, previous session high or low, then you can take entry after buy or sell after taking out the inducement. This is a simple concept, and I know it's a little bit too. Let's see what happening right now in a current market price action. So first of all, look at this. So this one is our current price action. As you can see here, this is a market live, and what happening here, as you can see here, this one is our Asian session low, Asian session high. In this case, what happened, price close below it. When session close below the previous session high or low, then you have to wait for taking out the inducement before the buy or sell. What happened if the Asian session low sweep by the London session, then you have to buy after taking out the single candle order block, right? So what happened here, you can see market break the previous session low and candle close below it. So where is your inducement? You have to wait for it. If not, create this inducement and then you have to sell after taking out this one, something like this. But market create inducement is here. So this is our inducement. Taken out this inducement, and where is your unmitigated order block? You can see here, this one is our unmitigated order block. And why I'm choosing this one? Because above it there is a no unmitigated order block, right? So that's why market taken out this inducement and tap on your recent POI, and then you can sell here. Okay, so this one is our first POI when we can sell here. So this one is our first POI, and sometime you can see if market not respect here, and market can hit your extreme POI, which one is here, right? Because this one is also unmitigated. So price can be hit here, and this one is also, as you know, after taking out the inducement is a 50% probability, but you can sell here based on the single candle order block. So how you can sell here? You can see here, in this case, let me show you exactly. This is our bullish candle type here, right? So you don't need to directly sell here. You can take additional confirmation based on the single candle order block. So this is our highest candle, and then what happened? Next candle break the previous, the next candle break the previous candle high. So you have to wait for to candle close below it, right? So once price close below it, then you can take a decision for the sell, right? So what happened? Price close below it, and then when you can sell here, this is our order block, which is an unmitigated proper imbalance, and simply you can sell here based on the 5-minute time frame at this point, and put the stop loss just above it. And for safer side, you can put the stop loss just above it. You don't need to sell here, right? And some people trying to sell, and some people are chasing sniper entry. They are looking for to catch top and bottom. You don't need to catch top or bottom. You have to follow the system. You have to follow the high probability POI. You have to follow the high probability systematic method. Okay, so this one is our high probability. Okay, in case this one is hit your stop loss, which is okay because you are following your system. This is a not high probability, because after taking out the inducement, maybe can market go higher to mitigate unmitigated extreme PY, which one is here. But if you are willing to sell at this point directly, then which is okay, right? Because above it there is a no unmitigated, so you can take direct sell entry on your extreme PY. But after taking out the inducement, you don't need to take direct entry for the buy or sell. Okay, so you have to take always additional confirmation for the buy or sell in terms of the single candle order block, right? So this one is our single candle order block, and at this point you can simply also take entry in a 1-minute time frame. And where is your target? Your target, the previous low, which one is here, and this one is our target, almost 3.3 hour as per your 5-minute entry. But if you switch in a 1-minute time frame, then you can get more risk reward, because in a 1-minute time frame your risk will be reduced and target will be maximized. So let's see what happening here. Okay, so in this case, as you can see here, where is our unmitigated order block in this case, right? So where is our candle? This one, right? So this one is our candle is here, and you can sell the next candle, which one is here, right? So where is your target? In this case, you can see where is our pullback. First pullback high is here. So you have to put the stop loss is here, and safe stop loss just above it, as you know. So you can simply put the stop loss just above it. But if you are using very tight stop loss, then that case this can be hit. But when you see these type of condition, simply try to put the stop loss just above it, right, for the safer side. Okay, so this one is our next entry, and where is your target? And target are same, the previous major low, which one is here. And now that time is a 5 hour and 3 hour, almost 8 hour in a one session, in a London session. So now again switch again in a 5-minute time frame. So let's see what happening here. As you can see here, right now this is our Asian session is a bearish and London is a bearish. Then what happening in a New York? New York can gives you a bullish move to the upside. So if anything create here, like for example previous session sweep here and create any single candle order block is here, then definitely you can buy here. But sometime what happen, if price candle close below it, then don't need to sell here like this. Okay, you have to wait for to buy here, okay, like this, because you are looking here for buy, because both session are bearish. Then New York can gives you move to the upside, but you need additional confirmation here as per your single candle order block. So I hope you understand that how session is a work. And so these are very interesting, and you can practice on your chart, and you can backtest your data on your forex chart like Euro USD, GBP USD, anywhere. If you are facing to understand these concepts, you can watch this video multiple times. This will help you a lot to understand that how session is actually work, how session timing is a work, and how you can trade session timing. This is alone very deep and complicated. I just explained with you in a easy to understand way that how you can actually trade based on the session, based on the inducement. If market taken out the previous session high or low, then what criteria you should follow. If market not taken out the previous session high or low, just close over it, then what criteria you should follow. You can rewatch this video multiple times. This will help you a lot as a day trader. This will help you a lot to understand where is going on next move. As a day trader, this will help you a lot to understand what's going on in a next session. As you can see here right now, London session is open here and market taken out the previous session low. If candle close over it, then definitely you can buy here based on the single candle auto block, and this is a live market, as you know, right? So simply if price close over it, and you can simply buy here something like this. Okay, and where is the target? This one is our first break even point, and this one is our actual measure target is here. So I hope you understand how things actually work, and you can practice on your chart. And in this video enough for the day, and I will see you in the next chapter. Happy trading.